review the Lemme Glow Beauty Lollipops. And I got these online. They have collagen and vitamin C, and I am all for getting what we need from unexpected places. Meaning, I would not expect to get collagen or vitamin C from a lollipop, especially one like this. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the bag. There are several in the bag. Sorry, I didn't count them, but I've had a few since I got these, and I will be repurchasing them because these are watermelon flavored, and they have like a kind of sort of, what is it, starburst kind of candy inside, and they taste so good. It's not an overwhelming watermelon flavor, but it's very good. I would highly recommend these. Like, I'm obsessed. You get something unexpected, you get a tasty treat. There's no sugar alcohols in these, they're non-GMO, and this is the candy that's inside. I love these. A 10 out of 10. Get these if you can.